Hey subscribers, got a little different video today. This is a Alaskan bobsled from the 1950s or 60s. My parents used to tow me around on this with the snowmobiles, but it needs some work. You got some broken welds up here, and this is too far away to be properly assembled. It should be like this over here. So I want to fix this up so I can use it behind Snowshoe this winter. There's a sledding day coming up in town, so I thought it'd be fun to tow the kids around with it. This hitch is sketchy at best, so I'm gonna do something a little different here. And also it doesn't fit on Snowshoe, so it needs to be changed anyways. I pulled the plywood and canvas off, and I straightened up the hitch with an adjustable wrench. There's a crack there. That side's completely broken off. This is broken as well. And that ski support's snapped off. So I got quite a bit of work to do to it. And when I straightened out the hitch, all these guys back here, they lined up where they're supposed to be. So there is hope for this thing. I welded up all the cracks, straightened it out as best I could. So now just gotta make a new hitch and put the canvas and plywood back on. So it's all back together now, and I just made up a quick hitch out of a 1/2-inch threaded rod coupler, bolt, and this guy, so that way it'll swivel. And I just put a clevis through here to Snowshoe. So I'm gonna go hook it up and test it out. Sketchy at best. Gotta love a standard. Whoa, a little slippery on the side hills. Unfortunately, there's not a lot of snow in the woods. It's only like 3 inches and maybe 2 in the woods. So I'm just limited to driving around the fields. We got some special guests today with us. Remy and Otto. Want to drive? I don't think so. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video on the Alaskan Dog Sled. Hope the weather cooperates and I get to use it soon. Until then, catch you later.